Hi, good day to everybody. This is Methodist class by Exploring Classes. Now we will discuss very important topic, that is the differential equation. So here is the question, what is the differential equation? Equation, you know what is the meaning of equation? Equation means an equation consisting of what? Some unknown variable. For example, here it is, you look at one of the equation, I will write here 2x plus 5y is equal to 6. This is the one of the one equation. Here this is the ordinary equation. Okay. 2x plus 5y equal to 6. Just like this is the ordinary equation, but what is the differential equation? Before starting the differential equation, we will discuss about what are the differential. Differential means, suppose you get y equal to f of x is any function. Means we are writing what any function y equal to f of x is any function. Then its first order differentiation, that is what dy by dx. First time you find the derivative. If you find the derivative in the second time, here it is what d square y by dx square. Third time derivative here dq y by dx cube. N time derivative here d to the power n by dx to the power n. Here these are the differential of the first order, second order, third order, and this is the nth order differential. Suppose here is the one of the equation x y plus x dy by dx equal to 5. This is the one of the differential equation. Why it is the differential equation? You look at here x and y are the variable and dy by dx is the what? Differential of the first order. So this is the one of the differential of first order equation. So this is the differential equation of the first order. This is what? Y and y2. Y2 means this is the second order differentiation. Y1 means dy by dx, y2 means d square y by dx square, y3 means dq by dx cube. In this way, these are the one differential. This is what second order differential equation. This is the first order differential equation. But this is not a differential equation. Why it is not a differential equation? Because here only two variables are there. Okay, only two variables. 2x plus 5y equal to 6. Two variables only. Okay. So we will discuss more about the degree and order of the differential equation. Okay, degree and order of the. So we will discuss few examples. So let us also discuss about how to find the degree and order of the differential equation. So degree and order of the differential equation, how to find? You look at. So here it is written, the order of the differential equation is taken from the one of the largest order. Largest order means, look at the first order, second order, third order, fourth order. I have told you dy by dx is the first order, d square y by dx square equal to second order, third order dq y by dx cube, and fourth order d fourth y by dx cube, dx fourth. In this way, these are the order of the differential equation. So note which one is the largest order of the differential equation. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, the degree of differential equation is taken from the largest, the power of the largest degree. After selection of the largest order, then what is the power of the largest order? That is the what? Degree of the differential equation. After selecting the largest order of the differential equation, then what is the power on the largest order? That is the what? The degree of the what? Differential equation. And third one, during the calculation of the order, the degrees don't consider the rational or fractional power. Means here you will get, sometimes the degrees we are taking the degrees 1 by 2, 3 by 2 in this way. So we do not consider that. Okay. In this case, what to do? If the power is 1 by 2, then square both sides. If the power is 1 by 3, then cube both sides, cube it. Then you will get what? The full power. Okay. Always you think the full numbers. The degrees are considered the full number, not a fractional numbers. Okay. So here one of the example I will just I will discuss this one. Y is x square x dx plus 10x dy equal to 0. So we have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx, this is the differential. Okay. So always you try to find where is the dy by dx, d square y by dx square in this way. First of all you find this. Okay. Here you take what? 10x dy this side and y minus y sec square x dx you take this side. So here it is what dy by dx equal to minus y sec square x by 10x this one. Here dy by dx, this is the differential. dy by dx, this is the differential. dy by dx of the differential of order first order this one. Because here the power is 1. So here it is what dy by dx is the first order. And degree is what is the power on it. Nothing any number means here it is the 1. So degree also 1. Here dy by dx is the first order and the power is 1 because here nothing is there. Okay. So in this way you find what the degree and orders, and very important problem, degree and order of this some important problem we will discuss. Now look at. So here you look at more example for finding the degree and order of the differential equation. Here is the one of the differential equation. You look at, consider this is the one of the differential equation. Here dy by dx is the first order differential. dqy by dxq is the third order differential. This is the one differential and this is the second differential. Okay. Out of these two differential, which has the largest order? This is the third order and this is the first order. So order of the differential equation, order equal to 3, third order. Because this is the first order and this is the third order differential. There are two differential in this equation. You have to take the largest order differential. Okay. This is the third order and this is the first order. So order equal to this one. So here degree. So what is the degree of the differential equation? Degree means what is the power on the largest order differential. So what is the power on it? There is nothing, power means there is 1. So degree equal to 1. Okay. So again you will get very simplification. Here I will tell you, here dy by dx is the first order and dqy by dxq is the third order. So third order you consider the largest order of the differential equation. So order of differential equation equal to 3. Again you will get the what is the power on the what largest order. 1 is the power, so degree equal to 1. Here in this case you will get in the second case. Here it is. So a d square y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power 3 by 2. So I have told to you, here is the format also I have written. What format? If there is what any fractional power, you just cancel it. Here fractional power is 3 by 2. When you square it, then it will be caught. When you square it, then the fractional power will caught. Okay. On squaring, the 2 will caught. It will remain what 3. Here also square it, then we'll get what a square d square y by dx square whole square. Okay. Both side I squared it. Why I squared it to both sides? Because here it is the 3 by 2. 3 by 2, you cancel it by 2. Squaring, then 2 will cut. Okay. So look at it. Here what is the largest order of the differential equation here? This is the first order differential and this is the second order differential. So the order of the differential equation equal to order equal to 2. Order equal to 2 in this case. Okay. So what is the degree in this case? The degree of differential equation means the power of the largest order. Here the largest order equal to 2 and also power equal to 2. The power equal to 2 means here the degree also 2. Okay. In this case you get this is the one of the differential equation. Here the d square y by dx square. So d square y by only one differential is there. Here the second order differential. Here order equal to what 2. And the power equal to 1 is there, so degree equal to 1. So but here it is the crucial. Here look at the little critical here. What is the critical? Here root over means the fractional power is there 1 by 2. Both sides squaring, then we will get what the root will cancel. Okay, the root, cube root, etc. You cancel it. If it is what cube root, then cube both sides you keep it. If it is the fourth root, then you make a fourth power both sides. Okay. Here it is I squared both sides. Here the square of the first value is equal to the square of 3y plus dy by dx whole square by here square and square root will cut. Again you will get here d square y by dx square. You also d square y by dx square. You multiply these two, then you will get what d square y by dx square into this one equal to what? Power equal to 3, because here it is what 2 power, here it is 1 power. So it will be what 3 power. Now here it is one of the differential equation. Here the order of the differential equation d square y by dx square equal to the second order, because here it is what dy by dx equal to the first order and the second order. Which one is the order? The second order. This is the order of the differential equation equal to 2. So on the largest order, what is the power? On the largest order, the power equal to 3. So here degree equal to 3. So order and degree, in this way you find the order and degree. Okay, the order and degree of the differential equation can be calculated by using this format. Okay, later we'll discuss, and little short we'll discuss more about the differential equation. So here is the question arise, differential equation, how to make a differential equation. So differential equation, how to find the differential equation? You know, here is the ordinary equation. Suppose an equation is given here, y equal f of x or f of xy is any equation given. Then the differential equation is made out of using what? Continual or continuous differentiation to given function. So continuous differentiation means, what is the process of continuous differentiation? You know, differentiation process, continuous differentiation means how many times we differentiate the given function. So here it is the maximum n time to differentiate the function when the number of arbitrary constant equal to n. So what is the arbitrary constant? Arbitrary constant means you will get, here is the one of the equation given, y equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Here a and b are the two what? Arbitrary constant. What you will get? Here also a is the only one arbitrary constant. Suppose another equation is given, here ax plus b, here how many arbitrary constant? Only one arbitrary constant. The constant along with variable, that is the arbitrary constant. Here b is not a arbitrary constant, but a is the arbitrary constant. Okay, here a and b, out of a and b, which one is the arbitrary constant? A is the arbitrary constant, b is not a arbitrary constant. Here also x is the variable, along with the x, a is there, a is the constant, this is what? Arbitrary constant. Here a and b are the two arbitrary constant, because along with the variable x, along with also variable x, there are two constant. Okay, here for making the differential equation, we have to differentiate the given equation as many time as the number of the what? Arbitrary constant. So here the number of arbitrary constant 2, we have to make 2 times differentiation this, not more than 2 times. Here only one arbitrary constant, so we have to make it what? Only 1 time differentiation. So y equal to a sin x means we have to find the differentiation for only once. So y the differentiation equal to y1 means dy by dx, this one. Okay, y, the derivative of y is what? y1 or dy by dx. A is constant, sin x derivative is cos x. So you can't find the more than once, derivative of more than once. Now eliminate this. So eliminate this constant. We have to eliminate, anyhow we have to eliminate this constant. So how to eliminate this constant? Now we divide y1 by y is equal to a cos x by a sin x. Here a will count, means arbitrary constant already vanished. So after making, when you make differential equation, your arbitrary constant completely vanish. Okay, here you will get, after vanishing the what? Arbitrary constant remains what? Cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x equal to cot x. So y1 by y equal to cot x. Then you can also write y1 equal to y cot x. So here it is the one of the differential equation. You can also write y1 minus y cot x equal to 0 also you can write. Okay, this is either this form or this form. Okay, so here also you can write, here dy by dx equal to y cot x, because y1 equal to dy by dx. You write either this one, y1 equal to this one, or what? Dy by dx equal to this. And the second problem you will get, how many arbitrary constants are there? There are 2 arbitrary constants. Here a and b are the 2 arbitrary constants. In this case you make it what? 2 time derivative. Okay, not more than 2 times. Means here you get sometimes if there are what more than one arbitrary constant, you need to find only one time differentiation. That is what that may be possible. But if there are two arbitrary constant, you should not what differentiate more than two times. So the first time when you differentiate this, y derivative is y1 or dy by dx is equal to a constant sin x derivative is cos x, b constant cos x derivative is minus sin x. I have written here y2, again you differentiate it, y2 equal to d square y by dx square, means second time you differentiate it. Here a constant cos x derivative minus sin x, b constant minus sin x derivative is minus cos x. So just I make it what minus common, or otherwise you write this. So now how to eliminate a and b completely? So adding this, here a sin x, here minus a sin x, adding these two, then all completely vanish. B cos x minus b cos x. So when y added to y2, here these two will be added. So y plus y2 is equal to a sin x minus a sin x will cut, b cos x minus b cos x will cut, and at the right hand side 0. So y plus y2 equal to, this is what 0. So you can also write what, instead of y you write y simply y2 equal to d square y by dx square equal to 0. This is what differential equation, or this is also differential equation. In this way you find the word differential equation by using this form. Okay. So here it is, just I am just giving again. So the number of times, first of all you count the number of the arbitrary constant. How many arbitrary constant are there? Okay. So which are the arbitrary constant? The constant along with what? Variable is known as what? Arbitrary constant. So the open constant, for example, here look at something is, I will write here ax square plus bx plus c in this case. So in this case, how many arbitrary constant? In this case, two arbitrary constant. C is not an arbitrary constant because C is not along with what? Variable. So A and B are along with variables, so they are what? Arbitrary constant. So first of all, you count the number of the arbitrary constant. Then differentiate as many as time of the what arbitrary constant in the equation. In the first equation, y equal to a sin x. So here a is the arbitrary constant, a single arbitrary constant is there. So the difference 1 to the differential, so the difference to 1 to the equation, y differentiate y1, a equal to this one and this one. So you have to cancel what arbitrary constant. Anyhow you have to cancel the arbitrary constant. So on dividing what y1 by y, then they will cut the remaining what cot x. In this way second also. Okay, this is the format. So differential equation. Later on discuss more about the more videos. We will discuss about how to make the differential equation, word problem, and also the solution of the differential equation. Today, if you like my video, share it and subscribe it. And thank you for watching my video patiently.